right, everybody, we are back at the Gray Zebra for another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. This time, I'm gonna try out the Gray Zebra's vegan tuna salad sandwich. But let's see how the Gray Zebra does vegan tuna salad. All right, guys, we've got our vegan tuna sandwich right here. I'm impressed with how big the sandwich is and how filling and hearty that this looks. I don't want to hear anything about any nutrients deficiency. This sandwich is loaded. This looks like tuna salad. We've got tomato on here, some kind of like pickled onions, tons of colors. You got green, purple, pinkish, red, and the greens look vibrant with color. They say the richer the color, the more nutrients. And then I love the way they toast this bread. I'm very impressed. I think it looks maybe like a sourdough kind of deal. I like what I see. Let's see if I like what I taste. Yup. This right here, this Gray Zebra tuna salad sandwich is fire. Very similar to the tuna salad that I'm used to. The texture and the flavors and the kind of the creaminess of the tuna salad, you could fool me. It's very crisp and refreshing with the greens and the tomato. Ooh, man, the toasty bread. I love the crunch and the crispiness that the toasted bread brings to it. It really ties the whole sandwich together. I mean, this tastes just like tuna salad. Texture-wise, feels just like tuna salad. This garden they got on here, man, is great. It enhances the sandwich. Light, this would be a perfect lunch sandwich. Fresh, clean eating right here, and flavorful. That does it for another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you.